Hello kids! Today we are going to learn about articles in English grammar. Do you know what articles are? Let's find out. Articles are small words we use before nouns. There are 3 articles in English, a, an and the. Let's learn when to use them. We use a before words that start with a consonant sound. He has a ball. She sees a dog. That is a cute cat. We use an before words that start with a vowel sound. I ate an apple. An orange a day will give you all the vitamin C you need. He saw an elephant. Could you buy me an umbrella, please? Just remember A for consonants and for vowels. We use the for specific things or things that are only one in the world. The sun is bright. The moon is responsible for the tides in the sea. I visited the Eiffel Tower. Now let's test what you learned. Fill in the blanks with a, an, or the. Think carefully. The answer is coming in 3, 2, 1.
Yay!
Think carefully. The answer is coming in 3, 2, 1.
Yay!
Think carefully. The answer is coming in 3, 2, 1.
Yay!
Think carefully. The answer is coming in 3, 2, 1.
Yay!
Great job, kids! Today we learned about a, an and the. Keep practicing and soon you'll be a grammar expert. See you next time.